Paano nga ba mag-request ng LOE or Letter of Endorsement para sa inyong annual physical exam? Simple lang, sundan lang natin ang mga steps na ito. First, mamili ng accredited facility sa list ng accredited clinics. Next, mag-fill out ng request form. For delivery, please fill up these details. For pick-up by authorized personnel, kindly fill up these details. And for pick-up by the members, just go to your chosen provider to pick up your APE result. Pagkatapos, isend ang accomplished request form sa clientservicing@pilger.com.ph at callcenter@pilger.com.ph. Then, itag or isisi ang oneclaims@ioss.ph. After submitting, antayin lamang ang response ng Pilger Claims kung may kailangan pang additional requirements o kung approved na ang inyong request. Kapag approved na, maaari nang i-download ang inyong LOE o Letter of Endorsement at dalhin nito sa inyong napiling accredited facility upang makapag-proceed sa inyong annual physical exam. Reminders, ang LOE ay valid lamang for 1 month mula sa date of issuance. Kaya siguraduhin magamit ito within the validity period. For additional reminders and important guidelines, kindly refer to the information flash on your screen. And that is how easy you can avail the APE with iOS Help.